Hello everyone, how are you all today? Today we are unboxing the Samsung Odyssey. This series of headsets from Windows mixed reality category took the VR industry by storm. The industry was going through some hard time. It didn't catch up to the hype too much because the setup process of the Oculus Rift CV1 and HTC Vive was too cumbersome, and they needed sensors, external tracking, and all that. And these headsets came to save the industry back then. These introduced inside out tracking, so all the tracking was done on the headset themselves via some cameras, stereo or monochrome cameras and other technologies were there. So we didn't need any kind of external sensors. All of the technology was just on the headset and control themselves. So this one was the one of the best ones from Windows first generation of Windows mixed reality headsets, the Samsung Odyssey. After this, Samsung Odyssey Plus came, and we also have now the best in class HP Reverb G2. We don't have that in our hands. We're hoping that we'll have that soon someday in the future. So let's start unboxing the Samsung HMD Odyssey. HMD means, you all know, head mounted display. Yeah? So there is this Windows logo. So it actually runs on Windows mixed reality system. You will need a Windows PC to run it. Most of the VR headsets run on Windows. So what's in the box? There is Windows. Oh, it has AKG certified headsets built into the headset itself, like the Oculus Rift CV1. And this side there is Samsung. This side some special barcodes, information, and all that. So let's start unboxing. Okay, there you go. There is this box, inside box. Okay, out. So it has some protective plastic stickers, and now we can take it like this. So what is there inside it here? So the box is covered by some small separate segments, moving segments. So there is some silica gel actually. So these are the batteries, pair batteries. I think this box was already unboxed before. They put together and kept that in the lab that we were collaborating with. So they didn't use it, I think. Just unboxed it and looked at it. So this is the manual, and there is some cleaning cloths and some more manual. Take these manuals out. We'll look into them later. Now the top is covered. Let's take it away. So these are the headsets and the controllers. There's also another silica gel bag. So let's take out the controllers first and the headset then. Sorry. Now there is nothing more in this box. Okay. Yeah. So let's take out the box. So here are the headset and the controllers, the batteries, silica gel, and the manual. Let's look at this is the fiber cloth to clean the lenses. This is the manual, some warranty information, right? So this is the controller. Okay, Windows mixed reality controllers. These are updated in the HTC Revive G2 version. This is the version 1. All the Windows MR headsets have these controllers. These actually track light. These lights on, and the inside out cameras on the headset tracks the pattern and decides upon the tilt, rotation, and all that of the controllers. So this is for the right hand and this is for the left hand. The aesthetics of the controller is kind of better than the HTC Vive One ones. It also has clicky grip buttons like this, clicky, not like squishy of the Oculus Rift CV1 ones. Then there is this Windows button, menu button, maybe the analog sticks, they also click. Some trackpads, they also click, and also these trigger buttons. Some information on top of the controllers here and here, and the battery chamber, as you can see, it's not magnetic, it clips on like simple remote like system, and you will have to need two batteries here, one here and another one here to power it. The Oculus Rift CD1 had only one battery, and this needs two batteries. These HTC Vive One actually was chargeable, rechargeable. So let's take the batteries out. We will be setting it up too in our future videos. So please subscribe our channel and stay tuned. So let's move on to the headset itself. Place these aside. Okay. Clips. Now take the headset out. Very premium feeling, and not like the fabric ones from the Oculus Rift CV1. And it has the battery chamber well covered, so we do not actually hurt the lenses. There's also some light nose light bleeding problem solutions like this. You will not be able to have the light leading to the headset, outside light. There's also some sound rockers, volume rockers, and also it has IPD adjustment, manual IPD adjustment. There's a wheel there, right? As you can see, the lens is moving. Also, it has halo-like bands for the headband, and the most interesting thing is that you can adjust it easily, and it's much more comfortable than the HTC Vive and the CV1 ones. Now these are the AKG headphones. You can also see the carvings AKG there. You can take these out too if you want it, but these are of great quality. There's also, these are the cameras that actually started the journey of the inside out tracking of VR industry, and it was very successful back then. It also has this kind of extra support, so you can adjust it. Some of the Windows MR headsets had a folding capability, but this doesn't have that. So we will be setting it up and all that later. For now, that's it for the unboxing video and short look into the headset. Thank you very much for watching. We will see you in our next video. Have a great day.